Thank you for viewing Gurtler's 2021 Innovation Show. Gurtler is a family-owned and operated commercial laundry chemical company based out of the Chicagoland area with 3 generations of family members currently involved. We are proud to have just entered our 40th year in business. Who we are as a company is best described through the Gurtler Advantage. There's 3 pillars to the Gurtler Advantage. Our dedication to service, innovation, and people. We are the laundry chemical experts, providing excellent service, introducing innovations across the industry while treating people with respect. In the following section, we will be highlighting various laundry chemical technologies and innovations that can benefit your operations. Gurtler has pioneered the use of dual bleaching technology in the laundry market through the use of 2 different types of oxygen bleaches. Our dual bleaching technology subjects the textiles to 2 different forms of oxidizers during the washing process, offering enhanced whites, improved stain removal, and validated microbial reduction. Do you see value in utilizing an EPA-registered sanitizer or disinfectant during the washing process? If so, Gurtler has a solution for you. Validox and Validox Plus. Validox is an EPA-registered laundry sanitizer, and Validox Plus is an EPA-registered laundry disinfectant. PowerStat Plus is an EPA-registered laundry sanitizer that focuses on protecting the textiles post-laundering. This technology resides with the fabric and provides prolonged protection that carries forward with the textile as it goes towards the end user. There are 3 value adds with PowerStat Plus. It is an EPA-registered laundry sanitizer, residual self-sanitizer, and a residual backstat. Have you recently asked yourself how healthy is your laundry? Well, perhaps it's time for a checkup. Gurtler RX is your prescription for healthcare laundry success. Our 4-step process walks you through a consultation, diagnosis, prescription, and validation of your textiles, and is a tool to use in your journey for either maintaining or obtaining healthcare industry certifications. The WorkClean team is Gurtler's innovative washing technology designed for industrial and linen supply locations who want to have a faster, smarter, and cleaner way of processing their textiles. With our low alkaline wash technology, we focus primarily on the use of surfactants to remove the harsh industrial soils and F&B oils and greases from the linen. With the WorkClean Team program, you will have reduced wash formula runtimes, which greatly increase wash aisle productivity while reducing water and energy consumption, and will provide you with a cleaner textile as a result. Washing in a lower pH environment offers the following benefits to your laundry operations. First and foremost, we are focusing on surfactant-based technology. Therefore, you will find that your colors may remain more vivid, and you will have more consistent whites as a result of our technology holding soil in suspension and preventing redeposition from occurring. In addition, you will find wastewater compliancy through a lower pH due to the reduced use of alkalinity. Pictured on the screen is a before and after demonstration of a heavily soiled industrial uniform garment washed with the WorkClean detergent. The image shows the oil-loving nature and the effectiveness at removing tough industrial soils. In review, the WorkClean team brings the following benefits to your laundry's operations. We reduce the consumption of alkalinity and focus on surfactant-based technology, which aids in holding soil in suspension, thus maintaining brighter whites and more vivid colors. Our ability to wash more effectively in a shorter period of time will reduce your wash formula runtimes and dramatically increase the productivity of your wash floor. An additional benefit to shorter wash formula runtimes is water and energy savings due to the restructuring of the wash formula. Wastewater compliancy is more easily achieved through the reduced use of alkalinity during the washing process. Thank you for viewing Gurtler's presentation. Please contact us if you have any questions or are seeking additional information on the technology reviewed today.